What if Earth isn't alone? What if, somewhere in the darkness of space, another world breathes, lives, or waits for us to find it? Today, we're taking you on a journey across our solar system and far beyond to explore planets and moons where life might exist and where humans could one day live. Some are icy, some are strange, and some are eerily Earth-like. But every one of them has a story. So buckle up. We're about to leave Earth. What makes a planet livable? Before we start hopping across the galaxy, here's a quick question. What makes a planet livable? 3 big things. Liquid water, the key to all known life. A stable atmosphere to protect and support breathing or chemistry. And a good distance from its star, not too hot, not too cold. We call this the habitable zone. Now that we've got our checklist, let's explore. Planets and moons in our solar system. Mars, the Red Hope first stop, Mars. Our closest shot at a second home. It's cold, it's dry, but under the surface, there's water ice. And maybe, just maybe, ancient microbial life once existed there. Elon Musk wants us living here. NASA's preparing missions. Could Mars be our second Earth? It's not perfect, but it's possible. Mars isn't just the most explored planet after Earth, it's also our best candidate for future human colonization. It has day lengths similar to Earth, polar ice caps, and even seasons. Scientists have found signs of ancient riverbeds and water flow, proof that Mars once had a wetter climate. Today, there's frozen water beneath its surface, and some regions may have salty liquid water underground, protected from the freezing cold. While we haven't found life yet, Mars checks many boxes. That's why NASA, SpaceX, and other agencies are working hard to send humans there in the coming decades. Europa, the ocean beneath ice. This isn't a planet, it's Europa, a moon of Jupiter. At first glance, it looks frozen solid, but underneath? A vast, salty ocean, bigger than all of Earth's oceans combined. Scientists believe there may be vents heating the water below, and where there's warm water, life might just swim. Europa, one of Jupiter's 79 moons, looks like a frozen world. But beneath that icy crust lies something extraordinary, a massive, global ocean. Europa is kept warm not by sunlight, but by the intense gravitational pull from Jupiter, which flexes its interior and keeps the water below from freezing. This could create hydrothermal vents, like the ones in Earth's oceans, places where life thrives even without sunlight. Some scientists believe Europa has all the ingredients needed for microbial life. That's why NASA's Europa Clipper mission is on its way, to find out if something truly alien swims beneath. Enceladus, the icy geyser. World next, Enceladus, a tiny moon of Saturn, but don't underestimate it. It shoots plumes of water miles into space. And guess what's in those plumes? Organic molecules, life's building blocks, floating in space. Enceladus is small, just 500 kilometers across, but it might be one of the most promising places to find life. It's shooting massive geysers of water vapor, ice, and organic compounds into space. These plumes come from an underground ocean, confirmed by spacecraft that flew right through them. That's right, we've literally tasted the ingredients of Enceladus's ocean, and those ingredients? Carbon-based molecules, possibly supporting microbial life. It's like a hidden ocean world wrapped in ice, revealing its secrets with every geyser. Titan, a mysterious methane. World Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is wrapped in a thick orange haze. It has rivers and lakes, not of water, but liquid methane. Life here wouldn't look like anything we know, but it's one of the most Earth-like bodies we've ever seen. Titan is weird, but in space, weird can mean exciting. It's Saturn's largest moon, even bigger than Mercury. Titan has a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, the only moon that does, and it rains. Not water, but liquid methane. There are rivers, lakes, and even seas of methane and ethane. Could life exist in a form completely different from what we know? Maybe. There's even speculation about methane-based life forms, organisms that don't need water like we do. NASA plans to send a flying drone called Dragonfly to explore Titan by the 2030s. Who knows what we might discover in its hazy orange skies? Venus. Hell on the outside, hope in the clouds? Now this one's wild. Venus. A surface hot enough to melt lead. But scientists are curious about its upper atmosphere, where temperatures are milder. Could floating microbial life exist in the clouds? Unlikely, but not impossible. Exoplanets, Earth's distant cousins. Kepler-452b, Earth's big brother. Located 1,400 light-years away, Kepler-452b is eerily similar to Earth. It's in the habitable zone. It orbits a sun-like star, and it's been called Earth's older cousin. No life found yet, but it's on the top of our dream list. Proxima b, our next-door neighbor. Just 4.2 light-years away is Proxima b, the closest known Earth-like planet. It orbits a small, dim red dwarf star called Proxima Centauri. It's inside the habitable zone, and its surface temperature might allow for liquid water. But here's the challenge. Red dwarfs are volatile. They often blast planets with radiation. So Proxima b could be a lifeless rock. Or it might have a hidden ocean, shielded by a thick atmosphere. If humans ever build interstellar ships, this might be our first destination. TRAPPIST-1 system, a family of Earths? Meet the TRAPPIST-1 system. 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 in the habitable zone, rocky, potentially wet. If we find life somewhere soon, this is a strong bet. Imagine not just one habitable planet, but 7 Earth-sized worlds orbiting one star. That's the TRAPPIST-1 system. 3 of those planets are in the Goldilocks zone, where water could exist. They're close together, with short years. You could see other planets in the sky like moons. If life evolved on one of them, it could have spread to the others, like a cosmic neighborhood of life. Astronomers are now studying their atmospheres using the James Webb Space Telescope. This system is one of our best bets. We're using powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope to scan atmospheres, detect water, and search for biosignatures, chemical hints that life is out there. So far, Earth is still the only confirmed life-bearing planet. But every year, we get a little closer to discovering a second. In a universe of trillions of planets, can we really be the only one? Maybe life is rare. Maybe it's everywhere, just hidden, waiting, watching. Either way, the search for life beyond Earth is also a search for who we are and where we might go next. Which of these planets would you visit first? Drop your answer in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Cosmic Vision and join us every week as we explore the universe together. Until next time, stay curious and stay cosmic.